Hi friends, it's Miss Kate. I have a book with a character that we've been talking a lot about. Do you guys know this guy? You're right, that's Pete. Pete the cat. And this book is called Pete's Big Lunch. Pete the cat's Pete's Big Lunch. Here comes Pete. Oh, look, Pete is thinking about something that begins with an L. Oh, do you know what he's thinking about? I'll give you a clue. It's food that you eat in the middle of the day. Lunch! He's thinking about lunch. It is lunchtime. Pete is ready to eat. Oh, I see. He's looking at his watch on his wrist. It tells the time. And this time is the afternoon, lunchtime. What should Pete eat? Oh, I see those thinking bubbles again. What is he thinking about? I think you're right. Let me read. A sandwich would be nice. You are right. He was thinking about a sandwich. Yes, Pete wants a sandwich. Pete opens the fridge. Look. He's thinking, he's looking. What is there? He takes out a loaf of bread and a yummy fish. He adds a tomato and mayo. Oh, I see. That bright red tomato. Pete looks at his sandwich. It is too small. What? That is a really funny looking sandwich, Pete. You forgot to take the bread out. Oh my goodness. Pete says something is missing. Pete knows what it needs, his sandwich needs, and apple. You're right. Pete loves apples. I like apples. Do you like apples? My kids like apples with peanut butter on them. Yum. Let's see. His sandwich needs crackers. Crackers are crunchy. Oh yes, crackers are crunchy. Pete loves crunchy crackers. Look, he's dumping them on. Pete looks at his sandwich again. It is still too small. Oh my goodness, I don't know, Pete. That looks like a lot to eat. But I see. He's crossing his arms. He said it's too small. Pete is very hungry. Pete adds a pickle. Pete adds cheese. Pete adds an egg, 2 hot dogs, a banana, and a can of beans. Oh my goodness, Pete, I think you're going to make yourself sick. That is too much food. Let's see. How many items did he add? Can you help me count them? All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He added 7 more things to his sandwich. Oh my goodness, Pete. I don't think he's going to be able to eat all of it. Do you? Let's find out. Something is missing. What? He thinks there's still something missing. Look at all that food. Oh my goodness. Do you see something? A clue on the next page? What do you think Pete thinks is missing? You're right. Ice cream. Pete adds ice cream. He takes 3 huge scoops. 1, 2, 3. Wow, Pete. Pete's sandwich is too big for Pete to eat. You're right. First, Pete said the sandwich was too small, but now the sandwich is too big. Good thinking, Pete. I was worried. It is way too big for one little cat. Pete wonders, what to do? Pete thinks and thinks. What do you think Pete could do? Maybe he could try to save some of it. But I know when you take ice cream out of the freezer, it starts to melt. And once it melts, you really can't save it. I wonder what Pete will do. Oh, I see he's playing an instrument, a guitar. That must be how he takes time to think. I've got it, Pete says. Pete calls all his friends. Wow, look at all those friends. He asked them to come over. That's a good thought. How many friends does Pete have? Can we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pete has 6 friends. Can you see the picture? I see one friend that is different. Do you see a friend that's different? Let's take a look. All of the friends are different colors. But one of the friends is different. I think you're right. Let's look. A cat, a cat, a cat, a cat, a cat. A dog! The dog is different. How many dogs are there? Let's count. 1. There's 1 dog. How many cats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cats. 5 cats plus 1 dog. 5 cats plus 1 dog makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 friends. All right, let's see what happens. Everyone goes to Pete's house. They're all very hungry. Oh, look, they're all going over to their friend Pete's, and they're all hungry. What do you think they're going to do at Pete's house? I think you're right. Let's see. Pete shows them his big lunch. Are you hungry? Asked Pete. Pete's sandwich is big enough for everyone. Dig in, says Pete. Aw, what's Pete doing? He's sharing his lunch with all of his friends. Good thinking, Pete. Because sharing is caring. Pete's sandwich is good. Pete's sandwich is very good. Oh, yes. All of the friends have food. What does Pete have? Looking. I remember. Pete is dark blue with yellow eyes. There he is. What's Pete eating? You're right, the ice cream. Look at all those friends sharing. Pete's sandwich is all gone. Look, I see the plate is empty. There is no more sandwich on the plate and no more sandwich on the table. Pete's friends are full. They're full. Why are they full? You're right, because they ate a lot of food, that big sandwich. They liked Pete's big sandwich. Thanks for lunch, Pete's friends say. Thanks for sharing. Oh, yes, because sharing is cool. You're welcome, Pete says. Sharing is cool. You are so right, Pete. I love sharing with my friends. Bye. See you later.